and assume the dignity that is God. That's what your real background is, God. And so assume it. And then walk in that assumption, and if you have children, I hope you do, well then, instill that into the child. Instill it into all within the environment, and have them feel important. I have no background judged by human standards, either intellectual, financial, or these things. We made it. But Mother instilled in us, when we did something of which she was ashamed, she would say to us, have you forgotten that you are a Goddard? We didn't know. That must have been very important. Because Mother said, have you forgotten that you're a Goddard? Well, I never heard that we ever had any background. But all of a sudden you began to feel that you must be important. So Mother instilled it into our mind's eye. She made the name important. So today it is important where we are. In the business sense, in every sense, it's important. But Mother did that, and she married a man who had no background and took his name. But she made it important. All right? Who has any background? As far as I'm concerned, I refuse to accept the aristocracy of any being in this world other than the aristocracy of the Spirit. What other aristocracy? Give me the aristocracy of the Spirit, but don't come to me with any physical descent. I'm not an animal. I'm not a horse where you develop it by one horse after the other. I'm God. We're all God. And you can't go back beyond God. So if that's the start of all of us, well then that is our root. And so claim it now. At any point in time, claim it.